Alright, here's another one. We see powers inside the parentheses and powers outside the parentheses. So we want to use the law of powers, and the first thing we want to do is put everything that has an exponent. Numbers have an exponent, and the ones that we don't see an exponent, they have all of an exponent of 1. So now we're going to distribute the 2 on the first one to every exponent inside. So I'm writing every little step so you can see this. So it's like 1 times 2, and then C is going to be 1 times 2, and then D is going to be 4 times 2. Alright, so that's just the first parentheses. I'll put parentheses around it so you know that's that one. The second parentheses, same thing. We have C, and then we're going to have 1 times 5, and then we're going to have D. Oh, I didn't put the parentheses on. There's an exponent there. 1 times 5 on the second one. So now let's rewrite this. So it's 2 to the second power, C to the second power, and D to the 8th power, and that's inside of parentheses. The other one is C to the 5th power, D to the 5th power. Alright, so I have really the only number I have over here is a 1. And so I'm going to multiply this to this, but I got to make 2 to the second power a standard number. So 2 squared is 4. On the other side, we have C to the 5th, D to the 5th. Alright, I have a 1 here. That's really all I got is a 1 there. So 4 times 1 is 4. All I did was take 4 times 1 and say 4. Alright, now let's do the C. C squared times C to the 5th. They both have the same base, so I'm going to add their exponents, so it's C to the 7th. D to the 8th times D to the 5th. They're same base, so I add their exponents, so it's D to the 13th. And this is my answer.